And parties here.
Tata, what's happening?
Don't ask me what happened. Don't ask me what happened. I sent this man here to come and buy me credit and you give him paper instead of credit.
Tata, I not give you 100 naira credit.
You did. See, I dropped. See, I did. It's not paper that you bring back.
Come on, what will be the problem?
Thank you. I give this man money to go and buy me credit. She give him paper and bring it back.
Ordinary paper? So where the paper?
After I throw it away.
For no tear am now. Sure, I told you.
Shout to paper. Shock you.
That's paper where you tear away, so now be the credit now. See, sister, I just buy my own now. And I go load her for my phone, take and they make call, they go as alive. Wait, my load and me, you see. You go understand. See, I don't enter. Now, I go talk as I like this phone now. That piece of paper where you tear away for house, so. Now you 100 naira, now you tear, so.
You idiot. You idiot. You idiot. Huh? You idiot. Huh? You stand there and you allow me to chat. You cannot talk. Huh? You idiot. Anupa. You can't mad. You idiot. Hey. If I go and tear that credit, check it now. If you don't enter, I'll come back here.
Go and check it. If you do not enter, please bring it.
Not church.
Come back here now.
Not church. Idiot.
Nothing crazy, so I don't give up. This girl I'm
You idiot. Hey, give back. To call this girl sense. This woman will not mind her business. Eh? Cheta! Out here! One name. Out here! Look it! Cheta, I know you're still angry. Don't be angry. I'm trying to call my friend, Kendi. The woman in this place, he keeps saying, not available, try later. Not available, try later. Or you can send a mini call of 5 naira. I'm on your call. Eh? Kendi mother cannot speak English. That person is not Kendi mother. Help me. Oh?
Yes, sister, you disgrace me. So you have to pay me well.
Hi!
Before I pay you.
One name! Mom! Abia! Mom!
So you're deceiving.
Abia! Mom! Abia! Okay!
That company can go.
Yeah. Huh? Huh? One name. I'll give you something. Huh? Huh?
Starts ringing.
Yeah.
I'm ringing auntie Nikita. It's ringing.
Hey! Obia! Yes, it is me, Betty. You didn't come east. You come and visit me. My friend. Yes. Yeah, I'm fine. Get in there. Candy, don't forget to bring bread when you are coming. Buy bread. Drink, chin, but buy bread. Yes. Okay. It's alright. It's alright, my friend. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, chicha, you know what?
So.
Okay.
Go and bring the money. Go and bring the money.
Idiot. Magula.
Sister Betty, what's okay?
Magula.
Okay, this is how you do, Abi.
Idiot.
You need my help next time.
Oh, Baba.
Oh, why not?
Idiot.
Oh.
Ouch. Okay. Get them. Check that. Okay.
I bet we don't get the wait now. Wait till come call us for the family meeting.
Papa, take am easy. But you want you? Huh? You go at this your age now. Your journey no far again. Take am easy. Anyway, what make me invite all the tenants? That is Uma for this meeting. Now because my friend they come visit me for this village.
Okay, which time that your friend will come?
She don't already reach here now. Why you can't tell us now?
She don't reach here. Come outside. 9 days. Come outside.
Betty, I beg, make you know vex. That she, na I been a man, I been a woman.
Papa, you to know vex so. She na people. Na people. Na Yoruba woman.
Betty, Yorugine.
Ba woman.
The Baliba case. I feel support woman.
Can you all deserve?
Oh no, lose. Betty.
Anyway, make him come. Huh? What do we need to do?
Bam. Betty.
Let's
My daughter, they welcome you for our house. As you see me so, I'll be one of the cabinet of this village. So we don't talk, say, if you want stay, no problem, but make you show good example of life.
Don't worry, example, Abi. I've been the show I'm from now.
Okay.
Look me well. I am example person.
Yes.
As for the introduction, yeah, Papa, my name is Kende Alaka, daughter of Alaka, the Babalawo, sister of time. Yeah. It's the way we treat.
Okay.
Yeah. Mommy, keep that shoe. Keep that shoe.
My friend.
Keep it here. Yeah. Mommy. Hey, Papa. Back to the discussion. You don't have anything, Papa?
My friend.
Yeah. Papa, you don't have anything for the entertainment of the visitor. Like something that to shine eye. Tadu. Shaki. You see your brother eye as he be the Shaki well.
My daughter, which one be Shaki?
My daughter, I no get a Shaki for house. Huh?
Okay, you know how. Okay, you see, Papa, as you are seeing me like this, let me go and check the top.
Yes.
For the environment.
Yes.
See.
Yes.
Wait now. Oh yeah, easy.
Which one wahala be this now?
Bestie.
Yanni my baby.
Bestie. Oh yeah, now you know that this life that I come is for enjoyment now. So let us go to the chopping scene house.
Yeah.
Pan house.
Yeah.
Pan house.
The enjoyment house. Wow.
The house there I say pan one. What? In this village, woman is not behave like that too. Okay, but the best thing I know is not like this. That's changed. But if you insist that no papa, no mama, no nothing for me, I go back to my babe.
I'll take you.
Yeah. Power. Alright, let's go back. Yes. Power. Ready? Power to smart. For the power.
I see Janet yesterday. Wetin come happen? Say you see Janet. That girl wey don swear for this village say she no go ever marry. That girl don change you. How? She don change.
That guy fit comot him spot. How you sabi say she don change?
Johnny, for the first time wey I see Janet wear better cloth dey waka for road. Dada, you lie. Dada, you lie. Janet Ekoma wey me, Benji, I know very very well, no fit for her life wear better cloth.
Okay, Dada, you sure say na Janet you see, abi you don shine and you don before you see am? Don't wait. Make you bet money. If no be Janet Ekoma wey I see for road with my two eyes, make you bet.
How much? You go bet am?
How much? 1 p.m.
Dada, I lie. Dada, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. for me, 2 p.m. for you, 2 p.m. for you.
Okay.
Who go hold the money?
No wahala, bring am. I go hold am. No wahala.
I mean,
Bring am.
I go hold am.
Hey! Bigger boss!
Come.
Wetin dey happen?
See,
Wetin dey shele?
wait, we bet money for the head of Janet Ekoma.
So wetin happen now?
Ikenna, Dada talk say he see Janet, say he don dey okay, say he wear better clothes. So we can't tell am say na lie. Say Janet, no fit change. So come bet.
We bet am, we bet money.
Yes.
And as you come so, we wan make you hold the money.
Yes.
Okay. How much be the money?
Okay. 2 p.m.
6 p.m. to 2 p.m. each.
Okay. 2 p.m. each.
2 p.m. each.
Una won't make I hold the money.
Yes.
So waiting will be my commission for the money.
Which commission now?
Dada? Ijikwa
Now
you they talk this kind of thing?
Na me.
No. All of us here know say even bank, they collect commission. It can't be my own. No, my own case go come dey different, abi. See, you know Sabi say anytime we man home money, na that time wey the whole temptation dey come. In fact, make I cut the whole matter short. For the money now, for the 6 p.m, una will give me my own 10% from the money. If una agree, I hold am. If una no agree, make I waka comot.
No wahala. Take hold am.
That's how una come now.
Yeah, Amazon. Na 2 p.m. Give my own here. Na go 2 p.m. Give my own. Hold am.
Now, na serious no.
I tell you now. I see a little bit. Say Janet. Hold am.
Okay, complete. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna go find the baby now. I'm gonna go to Wala now.
Yes. We can't look for Janet. Yes. She's there for house.
Okay, she's not at home. She went outside and will come back again. She went to see the Reverend.
If no be now, we will come see her, Okay, see. No,
is there any problem?
No. You know, say, we don't make we come see her.
Yes.
You get something when they disturb us. You know, say, Janet sabi book well. So they say make we come see if they have.
That's why people have to come back again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Betty baby. Me. Wait, this one why they come by this time when customers never give up. Just a grand level.
I don't know what them. You call it Otunde. I like the liquor burger so. You follow your skirt.
I always have to come and drink. She's a good influence. Yes! I've come out in Japan and bring her here because you know, say, Otunde na the #1 spot in town. When you get special with the wine and lunch. Wait, she's your friend. She's having drinks.
Mr. Otondo, Mr. Nikaboga. They try to confuse you. You bring it on. You know my second name?
Okay. So as it be now, you know say Otondo get everything. As my name Otondo, I only get Otondo himself. So what's now go bring on now?
Correct. Wine and Amunchi.
And Pami, special Amunchi. Sit down there and come.
Amunchi where you see. That's why I get Otondo here. Otondo, what about you? Your village people, they shine too much.
Special.
Who is that?
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
Danushi,
Oh, money. Otondo, what about you? Otondo. Yes. Wọ́n gbóhùn tí mo mọ̀ ọ́ jẹ dé the pretty fair náà tó yìí. Ikó yẹn kàtí. Mr. Binomoga.
I don't tire for this thing. You sure say this babe go waka pass this road today?
A matter say he go see father. Before we go reach church, we go see him.
Wait oh, this one when they talk like this now. Una want tell me say una don't tire?
Oh, how can? We don't bet, we say we don't bet.
I know.
So no going back.
Bless him.
Wait,
lie.
reach well with them. Boy go dey happy. Last. When she reach well with Benji. Look, Sergeant. Yes, Sergeant. Abeg, we wan ask you just one question.
Go ahead.
Abeg, na you be Janet?
What kind of nonsense question is this?
Eh?
I'm Janet Ekenna.
What is this? Nana! Come and see your daughter.
Baba, if you see my Baba, oh, Nana.
Betty!
I know you're
Get out!
You are a brand. Mama!
See, you are a brand.
It's your mama. It's your mama. You are a killer.
I kill her. If you turn on go, I'll just break your heart.
Baba! Baba! You can only raw. Baba! You raw man. Oh yeah, Baba.
Betty! Betty!
Stop it! If you move, I move you. If you quench, I bring you down. Mark it. Dress. I fight. I'm moving.
don't leave my wife. I can't go to that. Kiss who? Who is kissing?
Papa, kiss me, Papa. Kiss me, baby. Papa, kiss me, baby. Oh, yeah. Kiss me, Papa.
If you move,
I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Come sit down. I'm not moving.
if you fight,
You see phone you are carrying,
Come sit down.
yeah, in mind.
Come sit down.
Don't keep your in mind.
Not fight girl.
Go hook him.
Your papa carry phone.
Come.
Your mama carry phone.
Come sit down. Don't do that.
Sleep with my friend.
Betty!
Why now?
Keep your leg well. Be out there to know what.
Papa 69. Papa 69.
You don't want it. How can I tell? Hello.
Papa 69.
See your mama.
This is my
Papa 69.
I don't know you.
See am. Money don't swim. Money don't swim.
Give me the money. I don't know they do this thing now. What is up with it? So you should not say one
No try am.
You should not say one.
Make una wait. Na joke make you carry me the waka the whole place since morning.
Now you dey joke. Na joke. You can give me a bring that money. Bring am on. Bring am on. Hold up. You can now bring the money on.
Don't tell my clothes.
Bring am.
Don't tell my clothes.
Balosi, wetin you go talk now? We talk here. We say we dey take lawyer into our hand. That fire where we wan quench that time, e don catch for another place. And it don begin the burn, it pass as before.
I am lost for words.
You never lost any word yet. We dey talk say Betty dey cause wahala for our children here. She go Lagos go bring another one wey worse pass am.
You see am? Okay, the other day they drink tombo for Old Tondo bar. So they become naked.
I did not hear that one. What I heard was that they were drunk and walked on bare feet.
They were drunk and walk up. So that one no be nakedness. When man go comot in shoe, begin walk barefoot for road, no be so nakedness dey start.
Mazudemba, don't exaggerate it.
Wetin we go do to those girls before they go scatter our village for us?
Make I talk. We go talk to our Igwe, and then we hold meeting with the other elders. Make we talk wetin we go do to this mother Azike pikin before she set fire for this community.
How Yoruba woman go leave their country come here wan scatter our village?
I know.
No way. I no go dey here come see you come spoil my name or my family name. Instead wey you go kill us, you better just pack your things, go back from where you come. Better just pack your things and go back from where you come. What is this?
Papa.
No, Papa, me don't beg me anything. Waiting.
Papa, you a liar.
I'm in agreement with you. You are a liar, Papa.
Yes. Look me eye, look me eye. See, me Kende, I come to this village to enjoyment myself. So nobody can chase me away.
Permanent!
I am a forward ever, backward.
Never!
See me trouble. How somebody go dey for a house? Wahala go waka come in. If you know from where you carry this girl, come inside this house. Make you just carry and come on, go back that place.
Correct. Almost, yeah.
I'm a liar.
Number one, our family no get name. Number 2, you no get house. Thirdly, Kehinde have not do anything bad. Rather, Kehinde have do something good. Now look at it. Since we Kehinde come this our house. Now look at it. Since we Kehinde come this our container, cubicles. My life have changed. My life have changed from better to worse. Yes.
Look. What is that?
Break it down. Kehinde Alaka.
Yes.
From Ijebu Remo. Ikeji Taye. The second of Tayo.
I don't want to know. I don't know whether you anywhere where you come from or waiting the answer. For all I know, if you no leave this house in peace, you must leave it in pieces.
Betty, your papa is trying me. Your papa is trying me. Whoa, Baba!
Don't worry. I will face it for you.
Leave it, Baba.
I will face it for you.
Nobody can shake me here. I have come here to stay. Papa, you hear
If you move now, I will move you.
Papa, nobody can shake me here. I have come here to stay.
We got the fire and the light for this village where we live.
Somewhere I like, then I will buy. What of your madam? She never come today. She no go come. I don't know. She don't tell me when she dey come and when she no dey come. Wahala sha. How much be this one? Na 500. No go sell her for. No, they don't dey price.
Here, where you running to? I mean no harm. Just wanna ask you for directions, you know what I'm saying?
Now who you be?
Me? I'm Jerry. Jerry Smart Obi Light.
I know sabi who you be, but anyway, now where you dey go?
Actually going to my papa's company, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Now who come be your father?
Hey, come on. Have I changed so much? Look at me, man.
Now you be Mazi Obilete son.
That's it. Obi Light, yes.
You were with us before?
Oh, come on. I never was missing. I just found my way across to the United States of America, you know what I'm saying? LA, New York City, New Orleans. I've been everywhere.
Uncle Jerry.
That's me, boy. That's me. That's it.
Uncle, come on.
That's it. You've changed, man.
Uncle.
Yeah. I love you. I love you like shit, Uncle. Man. Yeah. You know what? Everywhere has changed so much that I can't even find my way to my papa's compound. Why don't you hop in? Let's go there.
Okay, make we do good. But you go turn round. You don't miss the road since.
Really?
You don't miss the road.
No problem. I got my ride.
Okay.
Come on, let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's hit it.
Hey.
father's script. I love this bunk like shit. Where's everyone? Where's my dad? Where's my mom? Why is it not locked? Huh?
Uncle, Dad,
what do you mean by that? I got a dad.
you know you say Papa don't die since.
What?
Yeah.
Pop is gone? Without notice? Oh, come on. That's not fair.
Uncle, you feel like say you don't tell since you don't communicate with them.
Ah, God, that's not an excuse. But what's my brother? I mean, my mom. Are they all dead too?
Your mama don't die since. They are stepmother in their house.
It's okay. So, what's the name again?
Dada.
Dada, I know it. I remember Dada. Okay, let me bless you. You sure need some Benjamins, you know. Look at you. That's it. Aha.
For me?
Buy yourself some eggs, boy.
Hey, Uncle, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Uncle, I will come later. Make I begin to go.
This is your crib. You can bust in any time. Come on.
Uncle, thank you.
I'll be waiting.
Uncle,
I expect you.
Uncle, thank you.
Come on, hit it.
Woo.
Hey, what's that? I got my right to be here. This is my father's script. What do you mean, who be that?
Now who be this?
Brother Jelly America.
Yeah, you know me?
You forgetting me? It's me, Ekene, your younger brother.
That's a lie!
It's
Boy!
me.
Boy! What have you been eating? You're big! Come on. Oh my God! That's good! You're a big boy now. So who is she?
Mama died, Papa come Maliam. Our stepmother.
Dada, wait. So waiting you, Dada, they try tell me now, say, you use this your two eyes. They see Jerry Obelete. We don't come on from this village since.
I wonder.
Not be only say I take my eyes. See ya. He give me money, say make I take go drink. Huh? Na lie. Make you see am. Na lie. Make you see am. Abi?
Me want see the money.
You don't want see the money?
No, see am.
Okay, now. You don't see him? Huh? You see him?
We don't see him.
Benji, Dada, you see him?
See, I'm
Okay.
you know my guy now.
You know say if you are our friend now.
Okay, now. Do you have
Odogu dajo. Dajo one.
Benji, you know say you big. Pass them. Take that one.
You know your guy now.
As it be so, if I walk out from here, I dey go see that man with my big broken eyes. Maybe to collect my own welcome money na KC Odogu.
Wanda.
Dada, you no go buy though. If you go meet am, meet Jerry. Make him give us money for touch your sir. Men gonna touch your sir. Before I go go mad. Baby no one. Shut up. You want go see him.
Oh. Now Jeremiah be this.
Brother Jelly America.
When we lost to America, that be this one. Hey!
Yeah. I probably know the story now. The regular African stuff. She killed my mom and took over the place. I hate you.
Kill your mama? Me, Agnes, kill your mama? You tell me.
Know the story. The pop is dead.
Papa
Mom is dead.
Papa don't die.
Oh my God. You mean I got no dad, I got no mom? Man, I'm an orphan! I'm an orphan, man! Oh my God!
Najali, don't cry.
Oh my God!
Don't cry.
Got no dad, got no mom? I'm a nobody! If you were to be in America, man, I'll be living in an orphanage. Yeah, the time that I got my dough, I've got my bench.
For this village where we dey, for this village where we dey, for this village where we dey, so for this village where we dey, we go to run, we go to chop, we go to work, we go to shock, we go to fire the bread of life. For this village where we dey, we go to run, we go to chop, we go to work.
Janeti. Janeti. Abia. Yeah. Why you look like this? Betty, how do I look now? Eh? Huh? Jeanette. Hey. Abia. Who is your companion? Nobody. Hey, how can you say nobody now? When your company is here.
Yeah, it's okay. My name is Kende. Ikeji Tai, the second of Tai, the daughter of Alaka, the Babalawo. It's a pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is mine.
I see. Why you lie? Don't be me top pressure first. You want snatch and commit. The pressure my own. You lie. Yeah. Yes. Anybody wait thief? You lie. Well, it's okay. Fine girl. Huh?
I don't have trying to meet up with time.
Wait, auntie. Why you lie? You say you are running late. When you waka, I see. You don't run, no. You better say you dey lie. You like to dey lie for this village. Wait, why are you wearing Mariana?
Betty, it's a long story. I don't want to tell you. Anyway, my crave your indulgence.
No, I don't have. I don't have. That's what. Oh, wait, him. Whoa. What's it talk? Crave. Hunger. Indulgence. Ego. I don't have. How much am I selling the cloth in my shop? I'll give you indulgence. Hey, wait, him. That they beg for your village. As you find it, you they beg.
Anyway, I don't have time for talking.
Get away! I see the puta. Yeah. I see the puta. Get away! Oh, Mukoria. Puta. As you find it, I see the bia. My clothes be like wedding gown. Oh yeah. It be like wedding. Abia. Lovely. One name. Hey, stop that one. No respect your madam. You hug your madam. She be your mate. You go say welcome, ma. You kneel down.
It's not like that. My friend will help me wash my shops.
I don't know say na your friendship. Sorry, I see. My name is Kende, daughter of Alaka the Babalawo. Ikeji Tai.
My name na Blessing.
Blessing, how do you find me?
Person find you. One customer wey dey come find goods. E be like say you go market. Our goods don dey finish.
That's right list of market.
Oh yeah, make we dey go the place where we wan go now. Shebi say you just want to check.
Ochicha. I say I poor. Make I no look my shop. Make I follow you. They go.
Sorry, Oda. Ma pe mi lórúkọ ọmọ. Stop calling me near this idiot. It's idiot. Blah, you go school.
Oh yeah.
You know go. Stop that to talk to. You sabi speak English. Oh yeah, speak English. Make I.
Okay,
you know mathematics. Oh yeah. You answer my mama like that. My dad like that. Oh yeah.
We go to shock, we go to fire the bread For this village where we dey, we go there wrong.
Jeremiah, you too, sir. You no go too blame them. How person go born pikin? You no go hear from them. No message, no letter, no telephone. For many years past, they no hear from you. Now heart attack, now kill them. Everybody still say you don't die.
I wasn't dead. I was doing my time behind the American bars. You know what I'm saying? I've been to Guantanamo Bay. You know where that is? Guantanamo Bay. Yes, I've been there. I was incarcerated for many years.
What's in that woman?
What?
The one we talk now. The
incarcerated. That means I was in prison. American jail for that matter. Yeah.
No wonder. I'm surprised. We calling you. Your number is not reachable. Your phone is disconnection.
Yeah.
Papa and Mama can't say you don't die.
I thought I was going to die myself. Man, I suffered. My friends stole everything I had and disappeared to thin air. Ike, can I shock you?
Oh, shoot.
Your brother is broke. I'm flat, man. Your brother hasn't got a penny. Yeah, that's the truth. That is truth. Face it. Let's face it.
Jeremiah, you mean say you come back empty-handed?
Even this car doesn't belong to me. It belongs to a friend in Lagos. He was going to bring the car to the village, and since I was coming to the village, I said, oh, bye, why not? Let me be your driver. He'll soon be here to take his car.
So, Jeremiah, you come back empty-handed, just like that, empty-handed, you came back.
Oh, well, there's nothing much to mourn about. I got my social securities, I got my pensions on the way. I got stuff,
Not be only security. Hey! So,
what's that?
What do you mean, Sabi? You come back empty-handed. Now, what do you mean? That is what you mean.
What's the stress? You know my mom? Stop nagging me. Why are you nagging me? I told you I got my social securities, I got my pensions, I got stuff on the...
Not the only security. Jeremiah, not defense. Not the only security.
Why are you nagging me? What's the stress? Why are you nagging me? Why is she nagging me?
Mama, let's...
You know my mom? You killed my mom. I hate you.
Not the only killing.
I hate you.
I dislike you.
I no talk waiting we go do this guest now. Me I no go come meet this meeting again. Make we quick come out the hands of monkey from our soup pot now. Before it becomes the hands of human beings. So
Bump Mazamadi. Before we dey talk of one problem. Now two come live with us. How can a gear stranger come to the house, come to tell the owner of the house wetin go happen for the house? Huh?
My fellow elders, anything wey una wan do, abeg make una do am quick. I no sabi how wahala waka come enter my house, come tanda.
Thank God my own daughter has been taken. Azike, did you say the girl said she will never go?
I no go tell una lies now. If you see my wife, ask her because the Yoruba witch tell her the same thing for him face.
This is a serious problem. But how can a stranger be stronger than the host? She's a stranger. She does not know the land more than us.
So now waiting you can't talk suggesting.
We will chase her far away from this our community.
Exactly.
Elders, you know sabi say with the elders, we know the youth. This matter never reached to worry us because of her. What we go do be say we go tell the youth, make they come carry these two people, come off from your daughter and the other, carry them come off from this place.
Supported.
So what thing will happen? You say, Mazi Azike, you go give your daughter the last warning with her friends. Because now two of them will go come off from this our community.
Yes, because stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave.
doing? Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
Hello.
My name is Jerry. You know, Jerry will be light.
My name is Betty.
And I'm Kendi, the daughter of Alaka of Ijebula, the sister of Taye.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
So what you doing?
Fine.
I see.
Yeah.
I actually just popped in from the US of A, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I've been to San Francisco, to LA, New York City, you know what I'm saying?
Hi.
That's good. That's good.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Can I meet you both?
What an insult. You insult us. You call us boats. Oko Oju me because we stop on the way. You call us boats. Huh?
How do I say this? I mean, can we get acquainted? Can I know the two of you better?
Oh, sorry. You mean both? You mean the both of you? The two both of you?
Okay.
Horrible English, horrible.
It's alright. But we know how we do it in LA.
Both.
Come on. Oh, good. Where are you going to?
Anywhere.
Stroking.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
come on.
yeah.
So, can I take you out?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Oh, come on. Let's hit it. Yeah. You know how we do it.
Go back. I see no the two both after.
I'll tell you how we do it.
Oga.
Kendi.
Over. In New Jersey. Yeah, they do in New Jersey.